to this, guys. It's 2 a.m. and these are the night birds. I don't know, they've stopped. They're so loud. They're not plovers, they're... I forgot what they're called. I don't know, they might be mating. I don't know what they're doing. That's them. Well, that's one. It's about 3 or 4 carrying on. This is Queensland. This is just normal suburbia night bird sounds. Plovers are ground birds as well. They'll chase cars if they have a nest around. So this has been going on and off hours, sound of the birds. So I don't know. I could look it up, but I'm just assuming it's they're mating. It's gone quiet again. This has happened about 4 or 5 times tonight since like about 10 o'clock. So 4.5 hours ago. I'm glad I caught a little one for you, but yeah, plovers, they're crazy. Plovers are crazy. They attack people, they attack cars. They'll chase a car until the car obviously outruns the bird. And they don't fly very often, so they actually run after people. They don't swoop like magpies. It's like living in some sort of tropical crazy that I kind of love. Anyway, good night, guys. I'm off to sleep now. And take care. Good night. And stay warm or stay cool. Sweet dreams. Bye, guys. They've just started up again. Oh, that was a quick one. I think they're going to be at it all night. It's getting on to 3 a.m. I kind of like it because it's nature, you know. If it was hoons or whatever, I wouldn't be happy. But this is nice. And I'm just in my room, my bedroom. They must be just out the front. I don't know. I hope it's picking waking up properly. That's one heck of a party. Party animals. I'm sorry it's dark. It's because I'm in my room. I just wanted you to hear these birds. It's quite unique. Well, it's not unique for us, but I thought it'd be nice to share. Okay, let's hope they get some sleep. They've been at it all night. Oh no, they're still going. Sounds like they're taking their party up the road. Gotta love Mother Nature. Okay, guys. I'll go now and hopefully I get sleep. Okay, catch you later.